Christians, be alert. If you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe it now. Christians, be alert. If you did not subscribe this channel, please
Christians,
subscribe
be alert.
it now. If you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe it now. Christians, be alert. If you did not subscribe this channel, please
Christians,
subscribe
be
it now.
alert.
If you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe it now. Christians, be alert. If you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe it now. Christians, be alert. If you did not subscribe this channel, please subscribe it now. In the mighty name of Jesus, welcome you all. Be alert, Christians in the world. Many false teachers will appear in different parts of the world from different religions, especially Muslim religion. Famous leaders of their religion come forward and in the public meeting they will challenge Christians with certain verses chosen from the Bible. Cunningly, trickily, they have chosen certain verses from the Bible and they will ask the people, saying those verses, twisting those verses against Christians and in favor of Muslims and their God. They will argue with the Christians and they will convince the Christians who did not learn the Bible thoroughly, and they will drag them towards their religion, challenging them. If they accept Muslim religion, the leaders, false leaders of their religion will give answers for the questions raised by the Christians in the public meeting. Thus, they will give answers for the questions raised by the Christians in the meeting. After giving the answers, these leaders will ask the Christians, are you convinced with these answers? If you are convinced, accept their religion. This is the condition they place in front of Christians in the meeting, in the public meeting. Therefore, I tell you, the Christians, unless you learn the Bible thoroughly, don't go for any meeting of other religious people, other religious leaders. If you go to such type of meetings of other religions, you will be cheated, you will be deceived, and you will be misled by the false teachers of different religions of the world. You search your true living God in the Bible. Bible gives right answer for the questions you raise in the public meetings of other religious leaders in the world. Don't be cheated or deceived by false leaders of the world, of other religions of the world. Before you go to follow the leaders of other religion, go through the Bible first. Go through it thoroughly and search God there. Understand Him, who is Jesus. Then you go outside. Without searching your true living God in the Bible, following, running after false teachers of the world, and hearing the explanation given by those false teachers, you will be misled, you will be cheated, you will be deceived. Understand it.